Hi everyone, today I am sharing the Scrawlr box subscription box from October 2021. If you're interested in any of the products singly, I have included some affiliate links below. In my next video, I'll feature how I use these products to create an art piece. That candy was actually really nice too, by the way. In the box, you'll always get a little card that tells you a little bit more about the product that's in there, and also gives you a Scrawlr challenge. This time it's called Out of the Lamp, which can be uploaded to the hashtag. This box came with 3 Copic markers. The Copic markers have 2 ends. One is a chisel point and one's a bullet point, depending on your use of the marker itself. And they came in the colours Canary Yellow, Strong Red and Aqua. Next in the box was a Uni Pin Fine Line Black. It was a 0.3mm fine liner, water and fade proof. And a Faber-Castell 2B pencil. To go with that pencil was a Faber-Castell kneadable eraser. I don't usually use kneadable erasers. These are quite cool because you can keep it in the case, keep it clean, and you can also break off bits and mould it into the shape that you wish. Each monthly subscription comes with a Squalazine, and in the Squalazine it will give you information about the products and how to use them. It also spotlights the artist for the month, gives you some advice from the artist and things to try, and also showcases a gallery of work that people had uploaded from the previous month. Of course, you'll also get a sticker from Scrawlr box which features the artist's work, a little clip of it. The final product was an A5 marker paper pad of 10 sheets, 70 GSM and acid free. And last but not least is an example print from the artist who helped to put this box together and who features within the contents. And that artist is Alexandra Olivia. And she's a visual artist, obviously, known for her colourful and intricate illustrations, and you can clearly see that with the print that's been put in the kit this month. Many of the kits are still available on the Scrawlr site. You don't need to have a subscription. You certainly don't need to buy it either. They're not sponsoring me in any way. I just enjoy getting the contents each month and having a bit of a play with something new. Thanks for watching. I'm going to share how I use these products in my next video. So keep creating until then, and I'll see you next time. Bye.